And this year, in the month of late April, he was sent for Doraye Khas training, which is a specialized 30-day training program for tactical and weapons training. This is the final training when a terrorist becomes ready to do the action, ready to be sent to India or to some other country for taking part in jihad. This training started, the training course where he went started in late April of 2016. Bahadur Ali says that there were 30 to 50 trainees at any time in each course, which runs throughout the year. This can give you some idea about the number of terrorists who are being created. 30 to 50, 1 month. At the training camps of Lashkar-e-Toiba, there were trainees, again this is a very important point, trainees from different parts of Pakistan, including Pashto speaking from Afghanistan-Pakistan border. After training, the Pashto speaking trainees are sent to Afghanistan for jihad. This is the disclosure of Bahadur Ali. Bahadur Ali also said that Gaibana Namaze Janaza. This is a Namaze Janaza which is held when somebody is not, the dead body of someone is not available. This is limited to my knowledge. This is what I understand. Bahadur Ali said that Gaibane Namaze Janaza of Pakistani elite cadres who die in India while waging jihad is performed in Pakistan. He said that he had, very important point, he had participated in the Gaibane Namaze Janaza of Abu Qasim, who was the Lashkar commander of South Kashmir and who was killed in October of 2015. And this particular Gaibane Namaze Janaza was led by Hafiz Saeed. He had participated in that. Bahadur Ali further says that his group of terrorists was launched, and not only he says, we have the evidence also, for being a stage forward at their detachment near the line of control between India and Pakistan. This detachment, a place where 3-4 senior members of Lashkar-e-Toiba stays, they are trained people, they equip them, they show them the actual path on the Google map on the screen. They also show them the videos of the general area on the route which they have to follow. And they are trained for being launched into India. That is the last part when they are sent across to India. Now this detachment, he was taken to a detachment known as Mandakuli. And this detachment is headed by member of Lashkar-e-Toiba who provides arms and ammunition as well as other accessories like GPS. Like before they were launched, every equipment, clothing, everything was provided to them at this detachment. Night vision devices, compass, grenades, grenade launchers, maps, matrix sheets, you can see all of them. You can see there you have the night vision device on the extreme left. This night vision device generally costs nearly $3,500. It's a very costly equipment. Bahadur Ali was launched from Mandakuli Det. Abu Haider was the commander of the detachment. They were repeatedly shown the infiltration route on the Google map on a LCD TV. Simultaneously, they were shown videos of landmarks available on the route. They were also made to write their own communication codes. These codes, which I have shown it to you.
तो एनआईए के आईजी इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। जिंदा पकड़े गए पाक आतंकी बहादुर अली से जो पूछताछ हुई है उससे कई अहम सबूत मिले हैं और जिस तरीके से पाकिस्तान लगातार घुसपैठ करा रहा है भारत में और आतंकवाद को बढ़ावा दे रहा है उससे जुड़ी कई कड़ियां सामने आई हैं।